Free money habits that keep you broke and how to fix them. Are you working hard but still broke? Most young professionals make these three hidden money mistakes, and they're sabotaging your financial future without you even realizing it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix them starting today. Welcome to Wealth, Psych, the channel where we explore the psychology behind your money decisions and give practical tips to build financial security, grow wealth, and master your money mindset. If you want to take control of your finances and avoid common money traps, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Habit number 1, spending without awareness. Studies show that people who spend on autopilot are 3x more likely to struggle financially. Psychologically, our brains get a small dopamine hit every time we buy something, which makes us repeat the behavior without thinking. Fix. Track every expense for 1 week. Write it down or use an app. Just seeing where your money goes forces your brain to think twice before impulsive purchases. Habit number 2, ignoring small expenses. That $5 coffee, $15 subscription, and $20 lunch here and there add up to hundreds each month. Financial psychology calls this the latte factor. Small, repeated behaviors create long-term financial leakage. Fix. Audit your recurring expenses. Cancel subscriptions you don't use and set a weekly allowance for small indulgences. Your future self will thank you. Habit number 3, avoiding financial planning. Many people think planning is boring, but it's psychological security. Without a plan, your brain feels anxious about money, which leads to impulsive decisions. Fix. Start with a simple 30-day financial plan. Track income, set a savings goal, and list your debts. Even a small plan gives you control and reduces money anxiety. Here's a key psychology insight. Your brain is wired for instant gratification, not long-term wealth. That's why awareness plus habit changes are critical. One study shows that people who visualize their savings goals are 2x more likely to reach them. So write down your financial goals and place them somewhere visible. So let's recap. 1. Track your spending to gain awareness. 2. Stop ignoring small recurring expenses. 3. Make a simple financial plan for security. If you do these 3 steps consistently, you'll start seeing changes in your bank account and your mindset within weeks. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll cover how your subconscious thoughts are secretly draining your money. You don't want to miss it. Comment below, which money habit are you guilty of? I'll reply with a tip tailored just for you.